Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going to be going through how to edit a transfer and close period using the Repair Pass tool. So to begin with, we want to go into the cash book, and then we'll click Repair Past. So today we're only going to be looking at transfers, so we'll click Repair Transfers. And now we need to search for the transfer we've made. So in this case, the transfer I made was for $500 in October 2023. So I'll just search for October 2023. Otherwise, you can search for the amount, a description, or the bank from and to. So I'll click the green tick, and here's the transfer. So if I click Edit, I just want to change the account it went to. So I must have put the wrong account in. I'll change it from the credit card to the elders prepayment, and then I'll click green tick. And we can see here that the bank account has changed from the credit card to the elders prepayment, and that transfer has been edited. We recommend only using this tool if it's absolutely necessary, as making any changes through this tool will affect closing balances of previous months. Thanks for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team, all linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.